What's up, guys? Henry Dean coming to you, great state of Washington. I'm working on a 2017 Kia Soul. It cranks. You try to start it, crank, turn, nothing. It started the first time when I first got it and then died when I put it in gear. We've been messing around with it, trying to figure out if it's the fuel pump. So here's a little something I figured out. So to see if it's the fuel pump or not, to see if it's a fuel issue or not, take this off, this one, comes off like that. Spray starter fluid down in there. It would be better if you had somebody helping you. So as you squirted the starter fluid, a fair amount of starter fluid down in there, that somebody could be turning the key as well. If that gets the car going, tries to start, that tells you you have a fuel issue. Now, to tell if it's got two different fuel pumps, it's got this one and the one in the back. Now, to tell if it's the one in the back, right? This just clips off right there and pulls off. You got to put this little plastic piece, push it back, put a screwdriver on top and bottom like this, and just pry it back. Comes right off. Then get yourself a wad of paper towels and sit there and hold it and have somebody turn the key, or wrap it around with paper towels and turn the key. It should be providing enough fuel to maintain this pressure fuel pump. So a good stream of fuel as you crank it, it's got to go to 4 injectors, should be pissing out fuel pretty well. If it does, mine didn't, but if it does squirt fuel very well when you're cranking it, hook this back up and take this one off. Now, this should all be pressurized because this is a pressurized fuel pump. Do the same thing. Paper towels down here, go to crank it, and this should be squirting it out to get to the fuel injectors there, down to the fuel rail. And yeah, if you have problems with your fuel pump, take out your back seat. It's got a cover. This cover, just pry it off with a flathead, maybe a knife to get through the thing, and voila. Now, my problem, I don't know if anybody else is going to have this problem. Look at this. That is no bueno. I do not have a fuel pump issue. I have a connector issue. So you can see down in there, and that is actually the fuel pump filter. Yeah, it's got whatever. And then you got to find the connector. Well, I do. But I hope that helps anybody that's dealing with crank won't turn over, won't start issues. If you are wondering if it's the fuel, take that off, spray starter fluid in there a good amount, and run and crank that key. And if it tries, if you can hear any kind of bubble, whatever, that tells you it's a fuel issue. Have a great day. Hope I helped.